boys and girls, happy Tuesday. We are going to do our phonics lesson. As you can see, I'm enjoying the outdoors. I hope you guys have been getting outside on these beautiful sunny days as well. All right, our phonics, remember, is a little different this week. We practiced it yesterday, but I'll just go over the rules again. For our rhyming, I'm going to say the word pair, you're going to repeat, and if it rhymes, you're going to give me a thumbs up. If it doesn't rhyme, you're going to give me a thumbs down. So let's get started. Some come. Bake rain. Hot got. Light did. See me. Our next one is onset fluency. I'm going to say a word and the sound it starts with, then it's your turn. Dog, d. Ran, To, t. Violet, v. B, b. Our next one is blending words. So you're going to need your hands for this one. We're going to be working on compound words. So you're going to repeat the two parts of the word after me, and then we're going to clap the word together. All right, here we go. Hay, stack, haystack. Some, one, someone. No, where, nowhere. Sweat, shirt, sweatshirt. Make, up, makeup. Nice job with that. All right, the next one is our roller coaster one. This one is our new one where we have our word with our roller coaster jump in the middle. So remember, the first part of our word is on the bottom of the hill. Our middle sound is at the top, and then our last sound is at the bottom on the other side. So we're listening for that middle sound. Our first word, pet. P-et. Good job. Next one, sell. S-e-l. Again, nice job. 10. T-e-n. Web, w-e-b. Again. And the last one, beg, b-e-g. You got it. Nice job with that. All right, our next one, you're going to need your choppers because we're going to be segmenting some words. All right, so I'm going to say a full word, and then we're going to break it into two parts. I'll go first, then you repeat. All right, your first word is outside, outside. Into, into. Hallway, hallway. Daycare, daycare. High chair, high chair. Nice job. Next, we're going to be adding words, so you need your hands for this one. All right? We're going to start out with the word air. Oh, we're going to use this hand. Start out with air. Add plane, airplane. Sun. Add rise, sunrise. Tree. Add top, treetop. Up. Add stairs, upstairs. River. Add side, riverside. Okay, and the last one we're going to do today is deleting. words. So you're going to have a word in your hands, and we're going to take away part of that word. All right, so the word in your hands is evergreen. Without green, what's left is ever. Good job. Overflow. Without flow, what's left is over. Ponytail. Without tail, what's left is pony. Waterfall. Without fall, what's left is water. Buttonhole. Without hole, what's left is button. Nice job. We're going to continue with our rhyme from yesterday. Yesterday we learned the first line. Today we're going to learn the second line. So I'll say the first two lines, then you repeat. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. All right, hope you enjoyed your lesson. We will continue tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.